Common competencies. Lesson 2, Performing Computer Operations, PCO. Content. Desktop icons. Directories. Files and folders. Recycle bin. Keyboard techniques. Proper handling. Shortcut keys. Keyboard care and maintenance. Content standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the underlying principles of operation and maintenance of a computer based on the task assigned and required outcome. Performance standard. The learner shall be able to perform computer operations based on the task assigned and required outcome. Learning competencies. Learning outcome number 3, access information using the computer. Learning outcome number 3.1, select correct program, application based on job requirements. Learning outcome number 3.2, access program, application containing the information required. Learning outcome number 3.3, open, close desktop icons correctly for navigation purposes. Learning outcome number 3.4, carry out keyboard techniques in line with OHS requirements for safe use of keyboards. Code. TLE_IPAS 912 PCOEF 6.